for the simple reason that she has no jurisdiction to try me. None whatsoever. I came out of courtesy and respect. She stands recused from my case and cannot try my case. There are things that are happening in this country that a lot of you do not know. It is my duty to make that very, very clear to all of you today. Because the lies are too much. The lies are too much. I sent a petition to NJC. I don't want to talk about it. Justice Binta Nyako is using her position for personal gain. For personal gain. Her son and her husband are facing corruption charges. And they told them that if they convict me, this is what happens. You can see it. They don't want the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out in Nigeria. That's the problem. Who is that person? Who are not educated. I am an educated man. I can't show them the petition for the simple reason that if you show it,
what the judge said was that the case file
corruption charges. They sent her to my case so they can release or smoothen the pathway for the husband and the son. They are facing. It doesn't matter if they're off it. In a corrupt society, that's what happens. They are very, very corrupt. That is a breach of judicial oath. They have violated their judicial oath. They have shown bias according to Supreme Court. They are biased against me. Supreme Court said so. And that is why what is happening in the judgments and rulings concerning me has been happening. So, disobedience to superior court orders. Supreme Court said you are biased. You are against this man. You should not have revoked his bail. Nigeria went to Kenya and kidnapped him. These things are in the public domain. Why, therefore, are they insisting on trying me? A court order was entered. In that very court order, it was said very clearly and succinctly that she is no more. That she is no more going to try me. Why are they insisting? Why are they insisting? I ask. Because they have no case against me. They have no case against me, and they know it.
I don't see say federal government don't swear say Nnamdi Kanu no go ever drink water drop cup for this country. The Nigerian government, they don't vow say they no go let Nnamdi Kanu get peace, that they will not let him have justice. Now, Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court in Abuja has indefinitely adjourned the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. And this decision was made on Monday, following Nnamdi Kanu's insistence that Binta Nyako cannot preside over his case, citing her previous recusal. Nnamdi Kanu had appeared, for a hearing on Monday before Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court, Abuja. And earlier in January, Nnamdi Kanu filed a petition against Justice Binta Nyako before the National Judicial Council, accusing her of judicial misconduct in handling his trial. And days later, Nnamdi Kanu called for his case to be transferred to the South, East or other states if the judge at the Federal High Court in Abuja is willing to preside over it apart from Justice Binta Nyako. But then, you see that Justice Binta Nyako, she's still forcing herself on Nnamdi Kanu. She's still imposing herself on Nnamdi Kanu. I don't know what's up with this judge, this Justice Binta Nyako. I don't really know what's up with her. If they've bribed her to frustrate Nnamdi Kanu, if they've probably bribed her to frustrate Nnamdi Kanu's legal case, why are they insisting on trying him when they know they kidnapped him into this country without any extradition orders? Nnamdi Kanu really showed courage in court today. But our country, our judicial system is so corrupt that it takes, who knows, One man to say no, enough is enough. What sort of thing is this? Can't Nigeria, can't this country and her government obey their court orders? What is there from obeying court orders? There's nothing there. It doesn't take you anything to obey court orders. So you can see Nigeria and her criminal justice system. It is so unfortunate that they are just using Nnamdi Kanu to play. They are just playing with his rights. Shame on them. Shame on Justice Binta Nyako. This is really, unfortunate, my country people. Nnamdi Kanu really complained a lot. He charged at court. If you see the way he was raging, no be small thing. Nnamdi Kanu really dealt with them woto. He gave them woto. He wasn't smiling at all today in court because it's so annoying and frustrating. It is really annoying and frustrating.
Listen, this is the laws of Nigeria. The prosecution and this court doesn't know the law. That is the fact.
Yes.
Poor knowledge of the law is killing Nigeria. Poor knowledge of the law, they don't know the law. This is a federal gazetted law of Nigeria that says here that the chief judge of Nigeria cannot tell Binta Nyako what to do. It's here. It's your law. Just obey it. That is why I do what I do. I agitate for Biafra. I agitate for Biafra. My right to agitate. My right. They turned it from treasonable felony now to terrorism. Stop talking when I'm talking. Since Binta Nyako is using her position for personal gain. For personal gain. Her son and her husband are facing corruption charges. And they told them that if they convict me, this is what happens. You can see it. They don't want the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. And that is why what is happening in the judgments and rulings concerning me has been happening. So, disobedience to superior court orders. Supreme Court said you are biased. You are against this man. You should not have revoked his bail. Nigeria went to Kenya and kidnapped him. These things are in the public domain. Why, therefore, are they insisting on trying me? A court order was entered. In that very court order, it was said very clearly and succinctly that she is no more. No. That she is no more going to try me. Why are they insisting? Why are they insisting? I ask. Because they have no case against me. They have no case against me, and they know it.